I'm looking for a new career from home and I keep hearing about network marketing and MLM. But what is an MLM company anyway and how do they profit? Hey, good day folks, I'm André Givogue, your friendly host here for CareerFH. So what is an MLM company, you ask? It's quite simple actually. MLM stands for multi-level marketing, also known as network marketing, which falls under the direct sales category. Like Tupperware, except Tupperware is a single level, not multi-level. All companies, whether traditional or direct sales, have to move products in order to stay in business. When I say move product, I mean sell products. Traditional companies choose the route of advertising, going through national distributors, regional distributors, and finally local distributors before it hits the store shelves. All of these different steps take a portion of the profit, which is then factored into the cost. Direct sales companies, on the other hand, instead choose to go straight from the company to the client, going through representative, distributors, or party hosts. Almost each company has their own lingo. Essentially, they save cost on advertising and branding, which is a huge chunk of the pie. Instead, they choose to put those profits into better quality product, research, or into the savings for the customers, which is you. Because these MLM companies have less overhead and less employees, this is another source of significant amount of savings. Reps only get paid a percentage commission only when they sell product, which is performance-based. In return, reps, which can be literally anybody, have the potential to make huge amount of profits if they sell a lot. Hopefully that answers the first part of the question, what is an MLM company? Now let's focus on the second part of the question, which is, how do they earn a profit? Here's the original question that I was asked. How does MLM companies profit when they pay the members on the basis of the number of members that join the network? And they pay them big. I found that to be an excellent question since not everybody new understands how it works. There's a rational explanation for this and here's how it works. Companies have a maximum payout for the commissions or residual income that goes into the upline for recruiting. There are all kinds of restrictions and qualification to make sure that the compensation plan doesn't bust, so to speak. First of all, companies never pay out a new recruit if they join in. If that were the case, that would be considered as an illegal pyramid scheme as the flow of the money is from recruiting, which is bad. So if you see this anywhere, it should be a red flag and run away from that opportunity right away. Legitimate companies pay people based on the product or services they sold, and sometimes the company throw in bonuses as incentives. Let's say a company pays 60% of all its revenues. That means on every product or services sold, they collect 40% and only 60% is divided within the commission structure. I've also seen 100% payout commissions, but when you scrutinize the commission plans carefully, you see that you get 100% of the commission of the product or services. However, you must pay for a reseller fee of either $25 or $100 per month. And that's how the company make their money. And that's why they can deliver 100% of the commission of the product that you're actually selling. So this can be good or bad depending on how much volume you personally sell. MLM is a business at the end of the day. It has to make money in order to stay in business. Compared to real estate, some brokerage will offer their agents a 70% and 30% commission split for every house they sell, with no desk fees or office fees. That means the agent keeps 70% and the brokerage keeps 30%. That's a form of leverage for a broker as he's receiving an override income from the efforts of his own agent. Now I've seen other companies that have a 95% and 5% commission split, which is very good, but it comes with a monthly desk fee of $2,000 a month. Again, depending on how much volume you plan on selling, one is better than the other. Option A in this case would be better for a beginner as there's less risk involved, there's no upfront cost or monthly fees to pay every month. And in option B, it would be better for a pro who sells a lot of houses, so the $2,000 per month is just a business expense, yet he still retains most of the commissions from his own sales. When the MLM companies get the money, the split is 40% to the company and the remaining 60% could be split with the distributors or sales force as follows: 20% on the first level, 10% on the second level, 5% on the third level, another 5% on the fourth level, 5% on the fifth level, 5% on the sixth level, and 5% on the seventh level. Oh yeah, and another 5% on the eighth level. So this would be an example of an 8-level deep compensation plan. As you can see it never surpasses its total revenue, meaning the company never pays above and beyond 100% of its 60%. Now this was super simplified for illustration purposes only. Commission structures are far more complex than that, but at the end of the day, they are all properly balanced, so they never pay out more than their allowable commissions budget. I hope this helps understand the industry a little bit better. Click on the link in the description that I've put below to get more information on the various types of career from home. Over there, you'll get the different various types to work from home as either as an employee, contractor, investor, or business owner. So all the information is there. I highly recommend that you take a look for it, especially if you're new at this. I've put a lot of detail and information in there to actually help you and educate you better. So when you see different opportunities, you can actually see more of the different red flags if it's legitimate or not and stuff like that. So it's actually really good to check it out. So what about you? How long have you been looking to start a new career from home? Share your thoughts and comments down below, and thanks for watching this episode of CareerFH. Start your career from home today. If you want more tips and tricks on starting your own career from home, then make sure you come visit our blog at www.careerfh.com. There you'll find more in-depth information and videos to get you started and off the ground. And if you got value out of this video, show us your appreciation by clicking on the like button, share it with your friends and family, and to get more videos like these, make sure you subscribe. Like always, have an awesome day, and cheers everybody!